Today's panel is really to try and get at what some of the predominant issues are around school mental and behavioral health, and how we can have a better understanding of little people as they come to school, and what they're like, and what we can do to support them and shape them and nurture them as they progress through the educational system and go on to college and career. And there are lots of things we can do in schools to be effective supporters of children and youth. And we're hoping with this distinguished panel today that we will get at some of those issues, and hopefully you'll be able to see really what the impact is of that early intervention, early intervening, as well as the support and guidance that we provide along the way, and how that helps kids move along. So without further ado, let me introduce to you our panelists. To my immediate left is Sheldon Horowitz, who is the Director of Learning Disabilities Resources with the National Center for Learning Disabilities. And I've known Sheldon for a long time. If you're not familiar with the work of the National Center for Learning Disabilities, they really are one of the leading organizations helping us to understand how to support kids with learning disabilities in schools the best, and really exploring, I think, the connections between the school, the family, and the community, and how those connections make for a better learning environment for young children. So thank you, Sheldon, for participating. And this is Naomi Steiner, and Naomi is the developmental behavioral pediatrician and the Director of Training and Developmental Behavioral Pediatrics at the Boston Medical Center here at Boston University. So she'll give you little tips on how to get around the neighborhood afterwards with her